Okay, what happens when you take your stash, you cut it up into jelly roll strips, and you add ocean blue green to it? Something magical happens. This is going to be a retro quilt. You don't want to miss this one because it's going to be a layered strip quilt.
Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve.
All right, let's talk fabrics. Today we are working with a dream team here. First up, this retro beauty, this beautiful rainbow retro beauty. It has orange, purple, red, blue, yellow, all of these beautiful dancing colors. And then I'm going to use a crisp white background. It's giving major 70s and 80s vibes, and I'm literally here for it. So, then I'm going to go all in the sunshine, and I've got this beautiful, deep, gorgeous blue, green, and I'm thinking like ocean meets eucalyptus. It's the perfect anchor to stop this quilt from floating away, becoming too chaotic, and just looking confusing to the eyes. I'm going to also finish off using wavy line quilting. So, looking at this, I am thinking instead of buying my pre cut jelly roll, I can simply make my own. That way, I have control of the color placement. I can use every single piece. I'm going to cut them into 2.5 strips and making this custom jelly roll bundle pure magic. I think it's going to work. In fact, I know it's going to work. I can feel it in my bones. This is such a lovely fabric to work with for like an ombre quilt that you can design and make your own. I got the last bit here on the boat, and I'm going to start now. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So excited. Okay, so this is the most satisfying part here. I'm going to fold the fabric as you can see, and I'm going to start cutting and trimming away my excess here or those scraggly lines just to make sure it's nice and straight. And then I'm going to start cutting into 2.5 strips. That is it. Now, if you've ever made your own jelly roll before, let me tell you, it is so liberating. You're not only limited by what the store has, you get to play with color architect. All right. So you can say the orange goes here, red goes there, blue goes there. And then I'm tucking in that gorgeous blue and green to tie it all together. Honestly, just looking at this stack is making me so excited for the final quilt. This is going to be a very quick one, literally, because once I cut all of these into the sizes that I just told you, and I can play around with the fabrics, have fun with it, place them wherever I want to, cut them wherever I want to. This is such a fun project, perfect for beginners. And if you've never done anything like this before, I would encourage you to try it.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind. But your love got rules that change all the time. Change all the time. Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is. Cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind. But your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in.
Now that all of these beautiful rainbow fabric cuts are done, I'm going to start working with that ocean sage blue as well as my white background. And then now is where the magic happens. I'm going to layer these strips in the sequence that makes that retro rainbow pop. I'm thinking orange to the red to the blue to yellow, then white, and keep layering it over and over as this gorgeous space in between the color is bursting with the white. The layered strip technique is one of those absolute favorite because it gives you that incredible scrappy look without actually having to make 1,000 pieces of tiny squares and tiny pieces of strips. It gives you a really big impact that is half the effort. And who doesn't love that? Everyone wants to make a beautiful quilt very quickly. So I'm going to sew this all together now, and then I'm going to quilt it and show it to you. Well, and just like that, we go from a pile of strips to a stunning quilt top. Look at these colors dance and just look so gorgeous. This quilt measures 65 by 77. The rainbow retro prints give it that playful sort of vintage feel, and the blue and green adds a cool, calming contrast. It's bold, it's creative, and it's so me, or is it so you? This proves that you don't need a massive stash of expensive pre-cuts to make something spectacular. Look at the retro blue at the back. Now tell me that's not vibrant and beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so calming, and yet the contrast is there. It's bold, it's creative, and as I said, it's just simple three fabrics and a rotary cutter. That's all you needed with a little bit of vision to make this layered strip quilt that looks so inviting. I've added a 4-inch border using the same fabrics, and I've just did wavy lines all over this. Tell me what you think about in the description box down below. So beginner, so friendly, so easy, so creative, so intuitive, because this is simply something that you can create from your stash and make this so beautiful, yet so inviting. I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. Let me know what you think about it in the description box down below. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Like and subscribe for more. And if you're here and you're new, welcome to my channel. I love quilting and I love quilting with my subscribers. See you in the next one, guys. Bye for now. Be quilting.
feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.